Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your profile in the Snapwire application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the settings button. And then click on the edit profile button. And as you can see, you can change your background. So you can choose a photo from your camera roll. You can take a photo. And so on. You can set your location if you want to. You can choose your photography style, so you can just select the ones that you are most interested in and most suits you, so you can do that. And you can write a few words about yourself so that people can know you better. And you can also add your social media data as well. So your Instagram username and your website if you have one. And this will just help people to know you better. And once everything is set, just click on the save button, and your data is saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.